Hello guys, I want to teach you how to design exercise book, all those 40 leaves, 60 leaves and 80 leaves, how you can be able to design them on Canva. So to do that, all you have to do is to go to Canva, go to the plus sign and you go to custom size. Remember I have made a exercise book cover that was measured 15 by 20, so I'm going to use the same measurement for this um, exercise book interior. So it's now opening. I have to wait for it to open, for the page to open, so that you will start. So when the page has opened, you will go to the plus sign. You go to element. When you go to element, you go to lines and shapes. So you have to select the straight line there. Select the straight line and it will come to the page. So you have to position it. Start from beginning to the end. As you are looking at this page, you will see a margin there. That margin, the one that is like a box inside, is a margin. So anything that you want to remain in the book must be inside this margin, so that by the time the book is being trimmed, it will not affect anything. So as you are trying to position it very well so that your work will be very neat, you have to position it very well. Make sure that it's not bending. You can use the duplicate to duplicate it when you are sure that it's already. So you have to space it. After spacing it, so you just duplicate them down. It's not hard, just very simple. Many people are making this, creating this book interior and sell it on Amazon KDP. So you can still follow the same method to do your journal. I will still make a video on how to create a journal book. So after doing that, I did not change the color before I duplicate them. So I have to select all of them and group them together, so that whatever thing that I change here will, all of them will be together. Even if I want to move them, they will go together. So I finished selecting them, so I will group them. So when I group them now, they are now together. They cannot be separated or scattered, so they are together now. So I will have to change the color, the color of textbook, exercise book interior, very light blue. So I have to select the color so that I can be able to effect it on all of them. So as I choose the color, I will change all. So all the lines here will change to light blue. So I have changed the light blue. So the next thing now is to go back to the line. I'll have to go back to element and I will select another line. You remember the red line that serves as margin. So I have to bring in this line here, place it before the margin on the page. See the margin here? When you look at it now, you will think that, oh, this side, that the margin I'm giving is too much. No, look at that margin inside, the tiny line inside. That is where you will look at, because some part of this side will be trimmed. So you place the line just some space after the page margin. So you align it very well. You can use notch to align it very well and make sure that it is not bending or slant. So after that, you change the color. Make sure it's a very light red. Good. So see, our interior exercise book interior is ready. So the only thing you have to do now is to duplicate the pages. You have to duplicate the pages because your exercise book is not going to come out as one page. So you have to duplicate it based on how many pages that will come out. So I'm going to duplicate it to 80. 80, double it, that will be 40 leaves. So if you are bringing out 60 leaves, that will be 120. So that is how you have to duplicate it. See the duplicate here, duplicate it to the number that you want. Then after that, you go to download. When you go to download, you will choose all the pages, the 80 pages. Then you will not bring it out as PNG, but you go to PDF print. Then you click on download and your work will be ready. So it has downloaded. Let's go and check it on our WPS office. So when you come to this page, see the notebook. I save it as notebook. So here it is, PDF print. Very neat. So from here now you can print out your exercise book.